If you need to clear the Safari history on your iPhone, I'm going to show you two different ways to be able to clear that out, whether it's for the last hour or all of your history. I'll walk you through those easy steps. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, screen time oftentimes becomes an issue because it could prevent you from deleting that history. So tap on Screen Time midway down. Scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then toggle off Content and Privacy Restrictions. Keep in mind, if you do have a screen time passcode, you'll need to enter that in, or if you don't know it or forgot it, you can always just choose to reset that screen time passcode using the Apple ID. Now, after we've done that, let's delete out that Safari history. Go back to your settings, scroll to the bottom, and tap on Apps at the bottom. From here, scroll down until you find Safari on this list and tap on that. There it is, tap on Safari. Now scroll down towards the bottom and tap on Clear History and Website Data. You'll be able to see I can choose for last hour or all history. I can choose all profiles, and I can also choose to close all the tabs and tap Clear History. However, there's an easier trick to be able to delete that history if you're on the go. Let me show you how to do that. Let's open up Safari and let's visit a website here. To clear that history, tap on the three dots at the bottom right, and then tap on Bookmarks at the bottom left. From here, it usually defaults to bookmarks here, so instead tap on the little clock icon to get to your history. Once you're in there, tap on those three dots at the top right, and then tap on Clear, and again it brings up a similar page. Just tap Clear History and you will have easily deleted all of that history. Now, in most channels at this point, they ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to thank you for spending a couple minutes of your day here with me. I know your time is valuable, and I really hope this video helped you out and made your life a little easier today.